everyone, MB Wilker over here. Welcome to GTC Gain Trading Crypto channel. I changed my channel name to Gain Trading Crypto because that's what we do and that's what we have been doing past years. So today we're going to do an update. I'm going to show you guys 4 altcoins from which I think have got the best potential to grow in May. So these are low cap gems, low cap, mid cap, low cap. And I think that these coins have a lot to gain for the coming month or maybe months. So we're going to dive in. First of all, we're going to do some technical analysis about Bitcoin and see what's going on, and then we'll jump into the altcoins. So push on the like, please. Like the video, leave a comment for the algorithm. We're working hard to grow the retail fam and to make a lot of people happy, just like you guys have been seeing on my Twitter page. So please do follow me on Twitter. The link is below. And let's dive into it. Bitcoin. Well, I've been sharing this today on my Twitter page. So it's just how simple TA can be. It's not so hard. It's not so hard. I think that anyone that puts some time in it will know how to do TA, how to recognize trends, know when to buy, know when to sell, when to take profits, or maybe even short if you're leverage trading. So first of all, what I want to say is for the private group members, I'm getting a lot of DMs. We've been adding most that fulfilled the requirements. The requirements are also in the description below, so go check them out. If you're trading on weeks, OKX or Maxi, you can get access to about the best free private group out there. What do you get when you trade on weeks, OKX or Maxi? What you get is you get the indicator, first of all, the best indicator in the markets, in my opinion. And if you go to my Twitter page, you'll see a lot of retailers trading with the MW indicator, and you can see all their P&Ls shared over there. And you know, I'm not sharing a lot of them, but there are huge gains made by a lot of retailers that finally know what they're doing. Because when you're leverage trading, it's not just going in and longing or shorting based on some guru, but he's telling you, no, you trade based on what you see on the charts and what the wheels are doing. So when you want to trade leverage, you swim along with the wheels. That's how it works, and that's how to defend your capital and how to make the safest gains. Because it's all about having the safest gains. Because anyone can gamble and go like 100x or 200x on a coin, and if he gets a rise, he will make some money. But that same person will definitely get liquidated sooner than later. So that's why leverage trading is a skill. It's something you have to own the skills to do it. So if you want to get educated and get access to all those trading course vids where I'm educating retailers how to leverage trade and how to do it the safe way without risking too much money and getting liquidated, then you should just open up an account on Weeks, Maxi, or OKX, start active trading, find your account, and you'll get access. It's that simple. I'm getting a lot of questions about how much is it? Is it 100 bucks a month? Is it 200 bucks a month? Is it how much should I pay you for the indicator? Guys, it's all free. I'm not asking anyone for money. I don't need your money. The only thing that I ask is for the team that you trade on either Maxi, Weeks, or OKX. And Weeks is the one that we do want a lot of retailers to get into because of the native token release getting very soon. It's a matter of maybe 2, 3, 4 weeks, not more. So okay, so let's jump in. Bitcoin over here, we got our indicator, as you guys can see, rejected, and we had this trend line going up. They were holding the line 1, 2, 3, and at this moment, boom. This rise was also to be expected because of the US 500 also made a big rise up. Most of the times, like I keep telling you guys, Wall Street rules the Bitcoin price. So when Wall Street starts pumping the NASDAQ, the US 500, you can expect this to happen. And it came beautifully holding the line over here. And what you can see also, why I keep educating you guys about TA, it's really, keep it simple. Don't use a lot of tools like FIBs, RSIs, etc. So when you're trading on very low time frame, very active trading, use all those ones. But on a bigger time frame, just keep it simple as possible. Keep it as simple as possible. And as you guys can see over here, this line, we had a hit over here. Look, and we got another hit over here. Is this coincidence? No, this is not coincidence, guys. This is no coincidence. This is TA. So for now, we have to keep an eye on this line over here. So the next target is 66.8, 66.9. Let's just say 67. If we can break a daily candle above it, our next target will be 78, 71K. So this would be very bullish if Bitcoin managed to break this line. If it will not break it, because by the way, I keep telling you guys and educating you also in the private, we just act on what we see. As long as this one is not broken, we have to remain bearish on the short term, meaning that if we will get a rise up at 67, if we get rejected on this line, because this is a resistance, guys, resistance is resistance. If that happens, we might drop back to the 63k levels over here. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. So if you're leverage trading, especially the guys that are watching this vid from the free private, I've showed you guys today, shared some charts, some altcoins that I'm eyeing to buy or to short. The team short, not me, but the ones that I'm eyeing to buy, guys. You have to keep in mind that those coins, it depends on Bitcoin. So or the BTC pair needs to break out. Keep that in mind. So if we will get rejected at the 67k level, this is the support zone at 63. So you just have to see it like this. When Bitcoin is traveling like this, so when Bitcoin is doing something like this, go up, it goes down, it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down, and at some point we break up, or maybe we'll break down. So we don't care if Bitcoin is going to break up or down. We will act on whatever will happen. That's why we have TA. That's how TA helps us. So we just don't care about what Bitcoin, because you know, on Twitter, it's on X, it's so annoying, and it frustrates me so much. It's all about, we're going to the moon, we're going to zero. We're going to the moon, we're going to zero. We're going to the moon, you've got a bearish camp, you've got a big bullish camp. And you know, retailers are all focusing on the wrong sentiment, in my opinion. Just focus on how to make money. Let those circus acts leave that. We're going to the moon, going down. Don't care about we're going up or going down. I don't care. I'm in here to make money. And when I'm in here to make money, means that I'm focusing on, am I long or am I short? That's all there is. And if you don't leverage trade, it's all about, am I buying or am I selling? That's all there is. There ain't nothing else. If there is any retailer on YouTube or CT that is out there just for the circus acts or for the fun or for the FOMO or for the FUD, I don't think retailers are out there. All the retailers are in these markets to make money. That's all there is. So please do follow people that are focusing on making money. By making money, I don't mean just buy whatever altcoin out there because we're going to the moon. That's not how it works. So again, for now, I'm just waiting for what's going to happen over here. If it breaks up, probably the team will open up a lot more longs, just like shared in the free private. And well, especially Bitcoin, because for the high volume traders, the ones that are trading with a lot of money, Bitcoin long over here would be massive gains. So that's about Bitcoin. So I'm gonna show you guys 4 altcoins from which I'm eyeing at this moment, and well, do your research on the fundamentals. I'm just going to show you guys the charts. So the first one is MDT. MDT, this one made a big rise up. We were over here, this was 2020, we made a rise up from, what was it, 14 cents to, this was a 10x. This was a 10x. Over here we came back, we retested this zone over here, as you guys can see. Again, TA guys, TA, keep in mind TA. Retested this zone again, and then we went up from 0.18 to, this was another 10x. They like, so this was a 10x. So let me show you guys. This was a 10x, and this was another 10x. This was also a 10x. If you would sell the top, obviously. What happened back? We went down, and again, this is TA. We went back to the box. We just went back to the box. So over here, what happened? We came back to the 18 cents, and well, this took a bit longer. But what did we have over here? What happened over here? What happened over here is we went to the 40. So we didn't manage to get higher than this one. But what I'm liking about this project, it's a 40 million market cap. So for now, we've got this trend line coming up. So if this is going to hold, do we get a bounce? Because what did we see? We saw hit number 1, up. Hit number 2, up. Hit number 3, up. So are we going to get another hit on this trend line and go up from here to make some nice gains? So that's what I'm eyeing trading wise. But for the long term, this coin, if you want to buy it again, it's in this zone over here at the 70, 18 cents, 90 cents. Let's just say 20 cents to the 10 cents. So over here in this box. So over here, this coin, because if it would reach over here, the market cap will drop down to 20 million or maybe even lower. So this would be a very, very good buying opportunity, in my opinion, for the long term on MDT. First of all, do your research on the fundamentals. I did my research on the tokenomics. I did my research on the charts, and this is what I'm liking. So for now, trading wise, this could be a good entry for a bounce trade, and for the long term, this box. So that's about that. Let me show you guys the BTC pair. It's really the same. It's pretty the same. So we're reaching the box again. So if it will get into the box, I'll be interested to buy some MDT to make a potential 10x or maybe even more. So that's what I'm showing you guys. I'm showing you guys, if you maybe have, like, let's just say you've got 5K, you buy 5K of MDT and you're gonna make 50K. I'll take that every day. So that's what I'm showing you guys. Let me go to the next one. Waves. I've talked about it yesterday in my live. If you didn't watch my live yesterday, go watch it. Why? There are a lot of coins that have been shared over there by the retail fan members, and those guys are all over CT, so they're all watching those hype coins. And it was really a great stream. So go watch my stream of yesterday. It was it's a bit of a long stream, so take your time for it or put it on very high speed and just watch it. So waves, look at this, guys. Waves, guys, I'm bullish on waves. Why am I bullish on waves? Because of this chart. It's really bottoming out on versus the Bitcoin. And as you guys can see, it's like, guys, you have to understand TA, because over here we hit this line over here. Let me show you guys like this. So we went up into this line, this whole zone. So every time when we come down, up, down, up, we come down, up, hit the line again, and now we're down again. So for now, waves is a solid project. Do your research on the fundamentals, but I'm waiting for this thing to do something like this again, to go up at least at this line. Because why? The dominance is really ramping up, and at some point when that thing starts dumping down, I know that waves will be one of the strongest one against Bitcoin to rise up. I just know that by experience. I know that will happen, or something very, very bad is going to happen to waves fundamentally or whatever. But if waves just keeps doing what they're doing, I expect this thing to rise up. And guys, this is a rise of, what is this? This is a rise of a 4 or 5x over here. So these are the coins I like. Let me show you guys the USDT pair. It's in the box. We're back in the box. I'm not going to talk about this one. We traded this one, but we're back in the box. And for me, it's now hitting 2.4. I think that waves at least needs to come back to the 10 bucks, 11 bucks. So that's an easy peasy 5x from here. So let me go to the next one. The next one is MTL. MTL. Why am I eyeing MTL? Let me go to the other chart over here. Yes. MTL is a coin that I'm eyeing now. By the way, guys, I don't know these coins. I have no contact with the teams. I'm not getting paid to share these coins. So just to be sure, because a lot of influencers make vids about altcoins and they're getting paid for it. So I'm not getting paid to talk about these charts. These charts are purely based on what I'm seeing on the charts and based on technical analysis. That's all. So MTL is also looking very hungry, in my opinion. We're holding this line over here. We hit the box over here. I shared this before. In my opinion, I think I shared this before. So the ones that have been buying in over here, congrats if you're in a 30% gain. But MTL is also looking very good, in my opinion. Also over here on the BTC pair, we did not hit the box. So if we get back to the box, I'll be buying some MTL also over here. And guys, I keep repeating myself. Look at this chart. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Let me put it on the 3 months. Look at this, guys. Look, you see this? Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look, we came from over here and we are now over here. So just understand what I'm sharing you. If you follow me, subscribe to the channel, guys, I will show you all the reg charts out there with the biggest potentials. That's what I'll be showing you. I will not show you any chart that already did a 40x, 50x. So you're going to be bait to a lot of wheels. I'm showing you guys the coins that are already super wrecked. So the selling pressure is almost gone. So there can only be a lot of buying pressure. So for now, that's what I'm showing you. So I'm liking MTL. So MTL is also a coin on my watch list for the next month to make some huge gains on. Let me go to the next one. SAGA. This is a pretty new project. Look at this bump up, and well, this is to be expected because this thing will just dump down. So this is a solid project in my opinion. So go do your research on SAGA, whatever it is. Do your research. I'm no fundamental expert. That's not what I do best. The charting is what I do best, but this is what I'm eyeing on SAGA. This one. So I'm liking this drop over here. It's like a falling wedge. So I'm eyeing it. We got a hit over here, bounce, hit over here, bounce, hit over here, bounce, and then 4th time hit over here, bounce. So I'm eyeing this chart like a hawk, and I'm really interested. If this thing breaks out, out of here, the first target is the 30 cents, then 35 cents, the $3, and then the $3.50, and then the $4. So I'm really eyeing, and then this is the last one, the $5. So this would be you double your money if this thing breaks out and gains some momentum. So that's what I'm eyeing as SAGA. So SAGA is also one that I'm eyeing for now, also for trading wise. So there is another coin, but that's a bonus coin. I'm not going to talk about that one. I'm going to share it in the free private. So guys, if you like the content, push on the like, please. Leave a comment below. Tell me about your altcoin that you're watching for the coming weeks, months that you're trading, or there is some fundamental event coming up on some altcoin. Please share it in the comment below. I'm reading all the comments. I'm liking all the comments. So, and maybe I will make a vid about that altcoin if you think that it will outperform the altcoins that I shared today. So thank you very much. For the free private group members, focus on what I said today, because based on what I shared in the free private, you'll understand better what I mean by the coins that I shared. Have a nice one. Thank you, and bye-bye.